Hello everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Today I'll show you how you can send a motivational email or a reminder email to your students when they failed a quiz. So in this course I have a test quiz. So I want when my students will fail in this test quiz, they will get a motivational email or a reminder email. So let's get started. First, we have to ensure that we are on our WP admin. Now we have to create an email templates. For that, click on engagements, then emails, and now click on add email template. Here we have to add our email title. So I'm typing quiz failed. We can add our email body. Also we have a merge codes option here. So I'm selecting student first name here. And now I'm pasting some content. Here we can add our email subject. So I'm typing quiz failed. We can add our email heading here. By default, it's a selected email, student email. Also, we can add a code here, that's admin email address. We can select any of them here, but as I want to show my students this email, that's why I'm leaving this as it is. Also, we can add email CC and email BCC. Now publish. So now our email template has published already. So now we have to create an engagements. For that, click on add engagement. So in this title, I will add a title that's similar to my email. Now we have to choose our trigger event. That means when we want to show this email. So I want when my student will fail the quiz. That's why I'm selecting this option. We have a lots of option here. Also we have to select that quiz. So I'm selecting test quiz, then engagement types. So I want to send an email, then engagements. This one is we have created email that this one is that. So I'm selecting this one, then publish. Now everything is completed. Now when my student will fail my test quiz, they will get this email. Now I can show you the backend of the email that I have sent to my students, or when they will fail my quiz, or what kind of email they will get. So I have installed a random free plugin that calls WP Mail Login, only for showing you the demo. So here is one of my student, Delwar Hussain. He already failed in my test quiz, so he already get my motivational email. From here we can see that email that I have sent to my students. So here you can see that same headings and the contents I have done before. So now when someone will fail in my test quiz, they will get this email to their mailbox. So I hope it will help you. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.